Hi, Kerry here from My Quick Bookkeeping. When you set up your business in your QuickBooks Online file or you receive your file from us, the default tax codes will be set up based on where you operate. In some cases, you may need to use different codes. Perhaps you provide services in another state or county, or ship products to another jurisdiction and have to collect tax there too. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to edit and add sales tax rates. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll show you where the tax shows up in your reporting. We're going to use the sample company in QuickBooks. Select Taxes on the left-hand margin. Then first, let's add or edit the agencies we'll be collecting tax with. Let's create a new one, and let's enter for the tax name, New York City. And we'll select the agency name as the New York Department of Revenue. I need quite a keyboard, don't I? At a rate of 4%, and we will save that. Now, if you have a look, we have another rate we can use in our operations. Now, let's edit one of the rates. Say, perhaps, that Tucson City here changes its tax rate from 2 to 3%. So let's select it, edit it. Let's change this rate to 3%. Save. Now, if we have a look up here, you can see the combined tax rate for Tucson, where it's the Arizona state, and Tucson City taxes combined now incorporate this increased rate of 3%. So to see how this works, let's sell something with our new rates. So we'll open an invoice. Let's select a customer and choose an item. I'm going to choose an inventory item. Let's grab a pump here. We'll say, as our customer has a California address, normally we'd be charging California taxes, but we're shipping this one to New York so that we can choose our new tax rate and see how that works. So yes, tax applies to this item. So we pop down here and we select the rate. And now let's select our 4% tax rate here. That's added to the invoice. You can see here 60 cents. So by having the tax codes properly set up, you can use them when you need them, and everything will be properly recorded to enable you to complete accurate returns when the time comes. Let's save this invoice. Update if we got it on 18th. We'll save it. Let's go and have a look at the sales tax liability report just to see what's happened in our sales tax section. And you can see here, we have New York City Department of Revenue that we just set up. The taxable amount is $15, the amount of the pump, and here's the 4% that we collected. Now, if we run a balance sheet, the tax will show up as a liability, something that we have to pay. Be sure that you have the proper advice from your accountant about what taxes apply and when you need to collect and remit them. This video is only intended to show you how to make changes and set up new codes when required. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or would like help getting this set up. If this video was useful, please click like below and subscribe to my channel for more QuickBooks tips and how-tos. Also, I've created a small business month-end checklist to help you ensure your records are up to date each month. Click the link below and download a free copy. If there's another topic you'd like help with, please make a note in the comments below and my next video could be for you. Cheers!